Hello my friend, how I hope you are well today. Oh shit, look at this, ugly. I just finished to climb like 2 million stairs, so in today's video, okay, I have to show you, as always, how I make my ropes, how I do this, how I do that, and at the end of the video I have a surprise for you, a really big and great and biggest surprise. Okay, I will show you a descender that is 15 years old. 50, not 15, you know. I didn't see in my entire life, and I am old, you know. I have 20 years of rope access, and I never see this kind of descender, not in movies. This is incredible. Okay, so stick around, okay? But of course, don't forget to subscribe. I'm just checking out on my teammate because he attached me. I have to wash this, and he attached me my things down so I can take them up. So stick around and I will show you. So I have, as you can see, an anchor over there and one over there, so they have a little bit big of distance between them, so I have to make some bunny ears, but I have to make bigger bunny ears, that because the anchor are spread out, you know. I cannot make the angle very open because I will make some kind of, and the strength will be like disastrous. So as I have the anchor like this, I have to make the angle like this, you know, bigger. So let's make this nice and easy, okay? But first, let me say hi to my brothers from, of course, another mothers. They have also a channel, a YouTube channel. They call Rope Riders Safety First. It's a big name, but these guys are incredible, you know. So let me say hi to Fernando. To Big Papa Junior and Scooby-Doo Junior, to Scooby-Doo Papa. These guys are Mexicans. What do you want? Of course I screw up their names, you know. These guys are incredible. They are incredible. They are the best. Wait just a second, because I think I just screwed this up. Wait. Now, these guys are the best window cleaners in the whole, I don't know where they are, because they don't say like, hey, I'm in Miami right now, or hey, I'm in Texas, or I don't know. But these guys are, and the way they talk, my friend. So let's say hello to my friends from Rope Riders Safety First. Be careful of the name. Rope Riders Safety First. That is insane. I love them. These Mexican guys, dude, I love how they talk. Like, what up, ese? This is incredible. I love them. I cannot talk like them, but I will try to copy a little bit of Big Papa Jr. or how the name is. Like, what up, my friends? What up, ese? ¿Cómo estás, maricón? Coño. Mi familia. Excuse me. These guys and this Scooby-Doo Papa. Check out his hat, my friends. His hat is amazing. And he's working over there, and Fernando asked him, "What up, ese?" And this Scooby-Doo Papa, "What up? What do you want? Dude, stop working, maricón. I will." These guys are insane. I love them. I love them. So, I just wanted to say hi to my brothers from another mothers. And now I screw up my bunny ears, okay? Because of these guys, I cannot take my mind off. Don't forget, their channel is called Rope Riders Safety First, okay? Check this out. Now, this is a bunny. You cannot see anything, isn't it? I'm sorry. Easy. Sorry. I'll show you what I'm doing here. I don't know if I can show you. I will put my camera, or I will try to put my camera right over here. Okay, I just make bunnies. Bunny ears, and I have to make them like very large because no, motherfucker, why you do this? Why? So, this type of anchors, you cannot see them, isn't it? You see the other one. This here, I have almost 40 centimeters on the wall. And believe me, the wall is strong. It's like incredible strong. But as I told you before, I have to make these bunny ears a little bit wider, you know, so I have to make them larger because my angle is not very good. So, but I will put this really fast, okay, and I will show you the surprise that I have for you, my friends. This is incredible. This descender is like nothing. And you all guys, all rope access technicians, if you saw something like this, please comment and tell me if you saw something like this in your working place or somewhere. Okay, now I have this. Let's see if I screw this up or no. No, this is okay. This is nice. So I will put this. And a subscriber of mine at the last video said to me, "Oh, my friend, it was a long time since you didn't put a video on YouTube, so I thought that something is wrong with you." No, my friend, nothing is wrong with me. I only had a really bad year, you know, because with all the raining and all the wind and stuff like this, we didn't work. And if we work on the roof or something like this. Okay, now let me show you what have I done here? Okay, check it out. Check it out. Okay, now this is my bunny ears, what I have said. Okay, but I have to make him like this, so I have to change them because I have to go down from here. Let me equalize a little bit, make them equal. I have to make this a little bit. This is the over there. I have to wash this. I finish washing that, so my teammates work at fixing and painting and stuff like this. I go washing like over there. So that's it with the small talk. Let me take you to the oh, careful at the head, because here we have, as you can see, oh shit, oh my god, here I just struck this wall like 10 times, and I will take you right into the surprise. Okay, so stick with me. 2 seconds, we are there. As you can see, Fernando over here. Hola, Fernando. He doesn't care. This guy is crazy. Okay. Now, first of all, the first surprise. Check this out. Check this out. Not this. This I don't care. Okay. Now, check this out. This phone. Dude, really? And of course you. This is incredible. Check this out. This is old, like, I don't know if I will see some ear. What kind of ear fabrication is this? It's from Spain, as you can see. Okay, now you can see. But this is great. This is very old. Now, guys, this type of descender you have not seen in your life. Are you ready to show you? Are you ready? Check this out. Boom! What in the black hole is this? Look at this. Let me explain to you what are you watching right now, okay? Let me just explain to you how this works. Now, with this, you will descend the guy or you will ascend the guy, okay? Look at this, wait, just let me show you. This is the chair, okay? The descender comes with the chair and everything, and the chair, as you can see right here, it's moving, okay? This is just so you can work in all positions, okay? Now, this cable, it's connected to this leather over here, okay? You descend and ascend the guy. Now, this, I think, this over here, it's some kind of panic attack, you know, or some block stuff or something like this, okay? So now, imagine you need to take this descender over there, you know. He has wheels, and when you reach the point when you want it, you take this, as I would imagine. Okay, now I don't exactly know how this works because I didn't try it, but as I'm seeing this over here, this is the blockage point. I don't know how it works and I don't want to break it. So my friends, look, this wheel over there, it's blocking the descent, and this leather over here, it's turning this on, this cable goes over there and goes to the, this is incredible. And as you can see over here, this is dust, my friends, this is dust. Look, the paint on him is very good, very fresh. And this is some kind of harness, I think, over here. Check this out, because whoever work on this has a big balls, so he need a big chain over here. And look at this. I didn't sit on it because I don't want to break it, you know, because normally whatever I touch I break. So this one I don't want to break it. This is too beautiful. Look at this. Let me show you again. This is a descender over here. This is a big ass descender. Tell me in the comments, my friends, if you've seen something like this before. This is a great stuff. I think they use this to descend over here in this type of holes. I don't know what they are. I will try to show you what type of holes. I don't know what these holes are, but I think they descend in these holes over here. Look at this, look at this. I don't know if you can see something over here. I cannot. So, my friends, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and again, Fernando, safety first. Don't forget that, okay? Bye bye, my friends. So, my friends, let me show you the product, finished product, okay? Because some of you might say, dude, what have you done? Look, this is 2 bunny ears over there. The angle is good, but as you can see, I have the anchor with the face through to me, so I don't like this. Normally I put them over the wall, but in this case I cannot, because this is too high and this is too wide, so I could not do this. So I put them over there, but here it is, my safety line, okay? Imagine that this will break, okay? And when I go down, when I fall, this one will stop me. This is not very important about how strong anchor is inside. It's important the angle of pulling the rope, you know? I leave that a little bit, but you know, I just cut it without measuring. I cut it, but doesn't matter. This is very good, you know, because this will go like this when I fall, and it will stop somewhere over here, so he will pull the anchor like this. So the angle is very good, it's very nice protection over there. So my friends, let me just tell you bye bye. See you on the next video.